Hello, and welcome to our video on investing tips for beginners. Investing can seem overwhelming, but we're here to help you get started with minimal funds. We'll be covering some key concepts that every beginner should know before investing. By the end of the video, you'll have a better understanding of how investing works and how you can start investing with minimal funds. Investing is an excellent way to grow your wealth over time and can help you achieve your financial goals. While investing can be intimidating, there are ways to get started with minimal funds. Here are some essential tips on how to start investing with minimal funds. Tip 1. Maximize your retirement account. The easiest and most effective way to start investing with minimal funds is to maximize your retirement savings accounts. These accounts, such as 401, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or Roth IRAs, are designed to help you save for retirement and offer tax benefits. When you contribute to these accounts, you'll be investing in a diversified portfolio that will grow over time. Tip 2. Invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds are low-cost investment options that are designed to match the performance of the stock market. These funds provide diversification and are easy to manage. Index funds have proven to be a great investment option for beginner investors and investors with minimal funds. Tip 3. Avoid high-fee investments. When investing with minimal funds, it's essential to avoid high-fee investments that eat away at your returns. Mutual funds with high fees, hedge funds, and actively managed investment portfolios can all carry high fees that cut into your profits. Stick with low-cost investment options for the best returns on your investment. Tip 4. Keep it simple. Investing can be complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Stick with simple investment strategies that are easy to understand. Avoid complex financial instruments and investments that require deep knowledge of finance and economics. Remember, the simpler, the better, especially when starting with minimal funds. Tip 5. Invest in what you know. Investing in what you know is a tried and tested investment strategy that can be beneficial when starting with minimal funds. If you work in the healthcare industry, invest in healthcare stocks. If you're interested in technology, invest in tech stocks. Investing in familiar industries will not only give you confidence, but can also help you create a diversified investment portfolio. Investing with minimal funds can seem daunting, but it's never been so accessible. Remember to maximize your retirement accounts, choose low-cost index funds, avoid high-fee investments, keep it simple, and invest in what you know. We hope these investment tips have helped you get started, and we wish you all the best on your investment journey. We hope that you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable finance-related content.